on this week's news update. An ancient Egyptian discovery. Drones help conservationists to track turtles. And the floating robot joining a space station. First up, archaeologists have made an amazing discovery. They've uncovered an ancient necropolis, or cemetery, near the city of Minya in Egypt. The archaeologists have found 8 tombs, thought to be around 2,000 years old. One of the tombs is thought to belong to a priest of the ancient Egyptian god Thoth. Among the artifacts discovered are carved stone coffins, mummies, and ornaments. The dig is expected to continue over the next 5 years. And with so many artifacts already found, the researchers are excited to see what else they may uncover. Next up, it's Animal Watch. This turtle is swimming in the ocean, and it's being tracked by a drone. Drones are unmanned aircraft, and they're useful for conservationists because they can follow the turtles over large areas of sea and to other places that are difficult to reach. They can even track the turtles at night, as we can see in this footage. Turtles are threatened because of poaching and because they often get caught up in fishing nets. As well as tracking the turtles, the drone footage can help scientists learn more about the turtles' habitat and behavior. And finally, it's Space Track. Meet Crew Interactive Mobile Companion, otherwise known as CIMON. CIMON is a floating robot that will be joining the crew aboard the International Space Station. The International Space Station, or ISS, orbits the Earth. And astronauts from many different countries go there to carry out research. CIMON has a digital face, voice, and camera. And its job on the space station will be to help the astronauts with experiments and provide some friendly company. At the moment, CIMON is still being tested, but the plan is to send it on its mission to the ISS later this year. That's all for this week. We'll see you next time.